Let's take 11th question. Here in this you need to identify 3 should be similar, 1 is different. See here middle lines. See in first box 2 lines, 2 parallel lines which are in horizontal. In second box 2 parallel lines which are in vertical. In third box 2 parallel lines are in horizontal. In fourth box 2 parallel lines are in horizontal. Except 2 remaining are in horizontal. So our different figure is second one. Let's take 12th question. First you observe all the figures carefully. First box having straight line, second straight line, third straight line. Only fourth is having curved line. So which is different from others. So answer is 4. Let's take 13th question. First you observe all the figures carefully. All the boxes having 2 oval shaped designs. See here. This is design. See here in this case you just see below part carefully. Actually odd man out is a keen observation part. Here you see below part which is having 2 straight line and little curved here. In second box 2 straight lines here. In third box there is no straight line, only curved shape here. In fourth box these 2 straight line little curved, means except 3 remaining boxes are having 2 straight lines. See here first box, second box, this fourth box. So our answer is third one. Here in this 14th question all the boxes are having 4 arrows. 2 boxes are in vertical, 2 boxes are in horizontal. See 2 are in vertical, 2 are in horizontal. Now see the directions. Okay, in first box up down means which are in alternate. Second box, in second box first arrow is towards right, second left, right. Now check in third which is down up means alternate, which are in alternate. Now check in fourth left right means except 2 remaining arrows are in alternate. So our answer is second one. Let's take 15th question. First you observe all the boxes carefully. By observing we are identifying that except 2 remaining figures are in same design. See here this cross point here, this cross point here, this cross point here, but in second these 2 points are in horizontal. So our answer is second one. Let's take 16th question. First you observe all the boxes carefully. All the boxes are having circle, middle circle. Now see there this curve cut. See this ending curve. This first box which is having curve line. In second box also curve line at the end of the circle. In third box also curve line. But in 4 there is no curve line. This is V-shape cut at the circle. So which is different from others. So answer is fourth one. Let's take 17th question. For this, you observe all the boxes carefully. See this curve line cut. In first box there is short at the middle, larger at the outer side of the circle. In second box short, this curve line cut short at the middle, more at the outers of the circle. In third also short at the middle, more large at the outer of the circle. See this curve line cut more at the middle and less at the outer of the circle. So which is different. So answer is fourth one. Let's take 18th question. See in 18th question all the boxes are having arrow mark and this V cut. See one by one. Okay. In first box is having arrow and V cut. And second box is having arrow, V cut. Third box is having arrow and V cut. And but in fourth, which is a bidirectional line, so which is different from others. So answer is fourth one. Let's take 19 questions. First you observe all the boxes carefully. All the boxes are having triangle. Next check this circle. This is present outer of the triangle. Inside, outer, inside. Means two are inside, two are at outside. Let's check now this cross, which is present outer of the triangle. In second box also present outer of the triangle. But in third, there is no cross cut, which is absent here. So answer is third. In fourth also, which is present outer. So only in third, x is absent. So answer is third. Let's take 20th question. In 20th, they have given one hexagon and one this design, one line, this arrow mark. See. This arrow, see, the all boxes are having hexagon and this simple line, one arrow mark. See here, I am checking anti-clockwise direction starting from this line, okay, in the all the boxes. So if I check from there, there is no, the two sides are empty. Here also empty, here also empty. At the corner of second, there is arrow mark. Now let's check in second box. See here, this line is here, this is empty, there is no design, here also empty. At the end of this side, there is arrow mark. Now let's check in third box. Here it is having one line, only one side is empty and next is arrow, which is different. So answer is third. Let's check in fourth also. See here, this side is here, this line is here. Two sides are empty, there is no design here. After end of this side, there is arrow mark. So answer is third one.